Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your own blood sugar at home with your own glucometer machine. If you're diabetic, it's good for you to have your own glucometer so that you can conveniently check your own sugar level at home. Living with diabetics means keeping a close eye on your health every day. But how do you stay on top of it effectively? This is Glucometer, your essential partner in managing diabetes. Having your own glucometer at hand is more than just convenient. It's a crucial step towards maintaining control over your health. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels helps you understand how your diet, exercise, and medications affect your diabetes. It empowers you to make informed decisions. Whether you are at home, at work, or on the go, having your own glucometer ensures that you can check your blood sugar anytime, anywhere. Tracking your readings consistently can help you prevent complications and provide valuable data to your healthcare provider to tailor your treatment plan. So take charge of your health with your own glucometer. You have the peace of mind knowing you are doing everything you can to manage your diabetes effectively. So let's go into the test proper, how you can check your own blood sugar at home or anywhere you are without going from one place to another. So let's get started. Let's do this. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about checking your glucometer at home, checking it in your office, at home, or anywhere that you are. If you're diabetic, having glucometer is very important for you to have your own glucometer. It should be very handy. You should have your own glucometer so that at any particular point in time you want to check your sugar level, you don't need to start going from one place to another to check your sugar. So this is fine test. There are so many types of glucometer in the market. Go to your pharmacy. There are different types of it. This one is fine test. You have AccuCheck. You also have Healthy Q. But today what I'm using is fine test strip. This is fine test. So this is how the battery looks like. This is the battery. In case if the battery of your glucometer is down, because when the battery is down, you will not be able to get a good result. It will not even boot. So it's good for you to check your glucometer every time. Check the battery whether everything is okay in the morning before you start checking your morning, doing your morning test. Understand? So whatever anyone you have, whether AccuCheck, fine test, Healthy Q, any product that you have, make sure that you have good battery that will help you to check and get a good and optimal result. So let's go. So what are the things that we need to do this test? You need an alcohol pad. You need an alcohol pad or cotton wool and methylated spirits. Either you have your cotton wool or alcohol pad. You also need a Lancet. This is a Lancet. You also need a Lancet. Lancet is what you need to prick yourself before you do the test. So let's go. You collect your alcohol pad, you tear it open, remove it, and clean yourself very well. Clean it. After cleaning it, make sure you allow it to dry. After cleaning it, make sure you allow it to dry. Once the thing dry, you give yourself a prick. Before you give it, just bring out your strip. Look at the strip, close it. Don't allow air to enter this strip. Please make sure that it's always tightly closed. Make sure that this strip is always closed tightly. Don't allow air to penetrate. Then once it has been closed tightly, you collect the strip. Look at the arrow. Where the arrow is showing upward, look at the arrow. Then you insert it in the machine. I'm showing you the exact way you can insert it to the machine. Insert it. Once it is inserted, then it has given me a beep. It is not ready yet, so you have to check the battery. Check the battery. Is it well fitted? If it is well fitted, cover it back. Then collect your strip. Look at the arrow. Where the arrow is showing, look at where the arrow is showing. Then you make sure that you insert it directly, and you make sure you push it very well inside. Then this is very sensitive, so don't touch this. It's very sensitive. You push it inside, guide it properly, and push it inside. it is not acceptable again, so you have to remove it. You can change the strip. If it is not going through, collect another strip, then you insert. The arrow should be a guide. It did not enter. I know why I'm doing this, so that you know when your glucometer have this type of problem. Don't think that your glucometer is faulty. The glucometer is not faulty. It means that the battery is not fitted. The battery is not properly inserted. So you have to turn it and insert the battery very well. The battery is not well inserted, so check your battery. Some persons, when they check their sugar and it's giving this kind of beep, they think the glucometer has problem. It doesn't have problem. Just open the battery and fit it very well, and it will come up properly. So now I've fitted the battery very well. So let's do this. What you do is insert it. Very good. Once you get that beep, that fine beep sound, meanwhile you've already swiped this and allow it to dry properly. Once I've gotten that sound, that beautiful beep sound, which means the machine is ready to collect your sample, you give yourself a very sharp break. Piam, you have given your shape. Make sure you dispose this thing properly in a sharp box. You dispose it in a sharp box so that it will not wound anybody. Then press it out. Press the blood. Press it. When you press it, you're the one checking the sugar by yourself. Then allow it to put it directly. It will aspirate. Once the thing aspirates the blood, it will beep. It will have a beep sound. Pim. Then you drop it and wait for your results. Allow it to take the reading. So the reading has been taken. The sugar is 5.3. Can you see it? 5.3 millimole per deal. The result is 5.3. Can you see that? It's 5.3. So that is just the result. So this is directly 5.3 millimole. You don't need to convert it. If you're using an alcohol check, definitely you convert it. If it is in milligram per deal, make sure you convert your result to millimole. But this one comes in millimole, no need of converting it. Do you understand? I hope you understand, and I hope with this video you can be able to check your blood sugar at home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.